Hey folks, Lucas Churchill here at Field of RV Dreams. Today I have something very special for you. I'm going to be showing you this 2026 Sunray 119. Now this trailer is just absolutely amazing, and let me show you some of the features I'm talking about. You're going to notice this hatchback here. Let me just open this up and show you what's inside. Look at this. This is absolutely perfect for somebody who wants to just get one step above a tent and doesn't want to sleep on the ground anymore. So right here, you're gonna notice you have this beautiful fridge right here, more than enough space to put food there to get out for a weekend, maybe even a little bit longer. You also have a microwave here too as well, which is great if you ever want to pop some popcorn. Me, I like to do it on the fire, but sometimes I burn it, so always nice to have the microwave. You also have a sink here as well. Now this trailer does come with a 16-gallon freshwater tank, so more than enough to wash your dishes and things like that as well. And it does also come with a flat griddle as well too, but let me show you some other great features about this trailer. So it's a little bit hard to see on this side, but you are going to notice you have 15-inch off-road tires. More than enough ground clearance for when you're going on those off-grid kind of adventures where you just want to be hidden away and not have to worry about anybody. This trailer will very easily get you there. Now coming around to the front, just my little pet here. You do also get a 20-gallon propane tank with this as well too. Now this one to me is a really cool feature. That's what we call a battery disconnect switch. Now this trailer does come with 200 watts of solar. So you're gonna get up in the morning, you're gonna have your coffee, you're gonna have your breakfast, but before you head out hiking or to the lake or whatever you like to do, simply just take that from green to red, and what you've done is you've actually killed the power to the unit. So when you're out on your adventure all day, your solar panel is just recharging your battery. So when you do get back to your base camp for the night, you have more than enough power to continue using your unit. Now coming around here, these are subtle, but something I find is absolutely great in trailers, these solid step. These steps are rated for 500 pounds, so you never have to worry about ever being off balance when you're going in and out of your trailer. And come with me and I'll show you some more of the inside. And this trailer also has a great pass-through. That way, if someone is out cooking, you can very easily hand me a hamburger or one of those wobbly pops. So over here too, you're also gonna notice that you have great storage here. You actually have a closet that way. If you are heading out in the early spring or late fall, you can bring lots of extra gear so you can deal with whatever Alberta's weather likes to throw at you. This unit also does come equipped with an AC and a heater as well. Just an absolutely great trailer if you do want to keep it a little bit smaller. From tip to tail too, this trailer is only 13 feet 4 inches, so very easy to park it as well at home. So if you're sick of setting up a trailer and sleeping on the ground, you'd like to take that next step, please stop by Field of RV Dreams and ask for Lucas, and I'd be more than happy to show you some other options that we have as well.